Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this really pretty vibrant auburn hair. This was sent from Beautyforeverhair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So they sent over this Bye Bye Knots wig unit, and of course a jerry curly texture. This is the 33B auburn color. It's also in 24 inches, you guys, in a 7x5 closure. So I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig cap construction. This one comes with the upgraded drawstring cap design, so it's made to be super comfortable, and it's also an adjustable fit. So if you have a smaller head or a bigger head, it really does not matter if this one is designed for both or all size heads. So I usually get my wig caps in a medium, you guys, and it fits perfectly fine. I also do have my hair in a low ball, so that is taking up extra space as well, but I actually prefer the tightening band, the drawstring tightening band, than the thicker adjustable straps, in my opinion. I'm not really a fan of the adjustable straps being in the wigs, and I always tell y'all I take them out of my wigs, but because these closures are meant to be like glueless installs, you guys, I do recommend that you have the adjustable strap, or either, you know, tightening up that drawstrings so that, you know, it can look very seamless on your skin. Now I do want to tell you guys that this lace came very white, so if you are of a deeper skin tone, you would definitely have to go in and really pack on that foundation so that you can tint the lace, and it can be very, very seamless. And then also I did go in and curl define this hair. However, I did not do it how I normally do. You guys know I you know, air dry my hair to get my curls to be very, very fluffy and voluminous. However, I did not do that for this hair video. I left it a little bit of a little damp so that I can come on camera and pretty much diffuse my hair with you guys. So I'm using my Dyson air, what is this called? I don't know. It's like a blow dryer or whatever. It's really expensive, but I would have to say it's well worth the money, you guys. So if you want to, you know, get it, it's in my Amazon storefront. Anyways, back to this hair review. I am literally just diffusing my hair on cool settings, you guys, and it does dry very, very fast, and that is how I got this hairstyle today. I would say that this hair is pretty much like 80% dry, but I feel like the size is where, you know, it needs a little bit of diffusing and some volume. So this is just a little hack if you're into, you know, diffusing your hair. However, this is not what I normally do, you guys. So yeah, now just to talk to you guys about the hair color, because I know I always get a lot of questions on how that color actually looks. So for this hair video, I actually do not have any filters or color corrections on it at all. This is straight from my camera, you guys, and I would have to say that it is of a vibrant hair color. So of course it's going to change colors, the brightness or whatever is going to change depending on the lighting, so just keep that in mind. But this is the true color, in my opinion, that you guys see straight here on the camera. Please ignore my nephews in the background, I'm trying to get through this. But anyways, also, because this color is so bright, you can't really wear too many tones with it, so I would definitely stick to, like, you know, the neutrals, the fall colors and things like that, such as like the creams, especially like something that I'm wearing now, so that the hair can pop. I definitely wouldn't do no pinks, reds, anything that would clash with it. So yeah, neutrals, blacks, creams, whites, things of that such, earth tones. And yeah, so that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. Of course, I'm just going in and picking it out, and as you could see, I'm not going through all of the hair. I'm not running the comb through the ends. I'm really just going at the roots to fluff it out a little bit more. I'm just showing you guys a little preview of the back, and then I'm also going to show you what it looks like on the side, and that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. So make sure you guys check out the discount code for the holidays, you guys, to get 25% off. I'll leave everything down in the description box, and happy holidays. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.